Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Home Assistant Google Calendar integration. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate the Home Assistant Google Calendar integration, start by accessing your Home Assistant dashboard. Navigate to the Settings section of the dashboard. Click on Integrations. In the top right corner, select the plus icon to add a new integration. Search for Google Calendar in the list of available integrations. Click on the Google Calendar integration to start the setup process. You will be prompted to configure the integration. Select Authorize to connect your Google account. A new window will open for Google authorization. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Review the permissions that Home Assistant requires. Click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to Home Assistant. You will see a confirmation that the integration has been successfully set up. Now, you can customize the settings for your calendar integration. Choose which calendars you want Home Assistant to access. Beneath the settings, you can specify how events are displayed. You can also adjust other options, such as update intervals. Save all the changes you have made in the integration settings. Now that the integration is active, go to the Developer Tools. Select the Services tab to test the integration. Use the drop-down to choose the Google Calendar service. Enter the necessary parameters for the event you want to create or modify. Click Call Service to execute the action. Return to your dashboard to view your Google Calendar events. Ensure everything is working as expected. You have successfully activated and configured the Google Calendar integration in Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.